Alrighty, hello, good day, and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we're going through a tutorial in Bambu Studios. I'm going to show you how to cut something really quick, really straightforward. We're just going to click on our object, and up on the top, there's a cut, or you can use the C button for quick. And when we cut this, if I perform this cut, it's just going to have two separate pieces, which is great, but then you have to line stuff up perfectly, which can be a bit of a pain. Now, depending on what your object looks like, that might be what you have to do. But for me, I like to add connectors where I can, and there's a couple different options. Preferably, I like the snap ones. That's what I have selected up here in the top right, and just pick a couple spots, 2-3 spots, and that means that these are going to become positives and negatives on both of these objects, so I can see them here when I zoom in, and when I go upside down, I can see that I've got those 3 negatives here. And that just means when I print, I now have this apple that I'm going to be able to click together, and it's going to snap and it's going to hold. I don't have to worry about, oh, is this going to line up, or am I going to have to be off by a little bit? Helps to make sure that it's perfect. Now you can use dowels, and there's lots of different options. This is just the method I prefer. Now, as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day. Take care and be safe.